Cekodok.
Cekodok. Now, for those who don't know what that is, it's banana balls. Let's give that a try.
Finally. This is so worth a cheat day.
Better than TimBits.
Cekodok. That's what the Malaysians call it, but Ineffable Milk calls it what it really is. Banana balls. Cekodok. What is better than TimBits?
Oh, this is so delicious.
I'm having more than my fair share. Delicious banana balls. What a great way to use up your old bananas. Hey, wait a second. Aren't we supposed to have this with potato?
My turn.
Eating. You're not supposed to. Those are all ours.
But it's so good.
We don't care.
It's so good.
Back in the kitchen. Let it go. This food was not prepared for you. What do you think?
It's hard to stop that one.
How would you rate those banana balls on a scale of 1 to 10?
More like an 11.